made in Canada, or more specifically, made in Sainte Thérèse, Quebec, at the PACCAR factory. That's what you get when you buy a Kenworth T880 Class 8 truck from Groupe Kenworth Montréal. My name is Matthew Ladd. I'm going to take you around this great truck that I'm delivering to Matériaux Dajet. Before we get going and show you the truck, I want to say thank you to the entire team at Matériaux Dajet and Vince Patulli. Thank you to Richard Lavigne and the team at Hiab Québec, and thank you to the great team at PACCAR for putting this truck together, and the great team at Groupe Kenworth Montréal for making it all happen. Let's go take a look at this truck. So this is a Kenworth T880, has an 18,000-pound front axle with a Cummins X15 500 horsepower engine. We have a full double frame on this truck. It's an 11 5/8 double frame. Got some little extra options. You have for the crane, you have the pallet lift right there. You have this great section here. It's a 25-foot aluminum frame equipped with an X HiPro 408 Hiab boom. This you have remote controls in the cab, which I'll show you at the end. And I was very lucky to have Stefan test this out for me, make sure everything was working right before we put the truck on the road. So I'll show you at the end of the video how this extends. Really impressive how this whole equipment works. Thank you again, Stefan and Vince. And we'll go around here. We have the straps on the side, 46K rear axle, full locking differentials. You have toolbox. This truck has a custom frame layout to really make sure everything is set up perfect for the customer and for their application. So we'll take a look inside this truck. Once again, it's a Kenworth T880 built in Canada. Go inside, we have an Allison 4500 RDS automatic transmission. And what I wanted to show you here, and you'll see Stefan in a moment use these controls. These are the remote controls for the Hiab crane. So that's T.N.T. Trucks and Tips for this week. My name is Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you exactly how that crane works. Thank you again to everyone who had a hand in putting this truck together. It wouldn't be possible without you guys. That's Trucks and Tips. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you. Wow. Very cool. Wow. Very cool. I've always wondered. I've been too scared to play with them.